This is Young Trader. It is Thursday morning. So, as usual, we're going to review crude oil here and natural gas. Now, remember, the EIA report for natural gas will be out today at 10:30, and it's usually a market mover. Okay, this video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Please like, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Okay, here we have crude oil and natural gas. Now, just a quick note here, the Fed, they cut rates by 0.5 point yesterday. And actually, the market was a really good trader after that. I mean, it rallied up and then it pulled back and it rallied up and then it pulled back. So I hope you made a couple bucks there yesterday because it was really some really good trading, especially like in the NASDAQ. Now look at the TQQs. You're up there a couple 3 points today. All this NVIDIA and Microsoft and Apple and Google and Tesla, everything is just ripping up much higher today. So actually it was a good thing. Now, cutting that 50 basis point, I still don't agree with that. I think this is kind of like politically motivated, but we'll have to see how this all shakes out here by the end of the year. Okay, let's take a look here at the old crude oil. Now, here's what we have. Okay, so yesterday what we had, we came out, when we sold down, we made a lower low, but you notice that it held this key 8 simple moving average. This is why you want to trade the charts. Just because it goes lower, the closing basis is the key, and that's where it did, close right above that. Now, today you can see here where we bounced off that 8 SMA, and where'd you go? Right there, right into the 21 day, okay? See how nice it is? Now, what we have here is we have like a sideways action of trading going on here. You can see this. So what you want to do today, okay, is watch the 8 SMA, 69, 16 on the bottom, okay? And then the top there is 71.23. Okay, so you're trading this range. So we have to see how it breaks out. Now, if it breaks out of that key level here, this 71.23, then we're going to go here to the top of this candle right here at 71.92 level. Okay, and then we just come right to the left of the chart here. Look to the bottom of that candle. You're looking at 72.20. We're looking at 72.58. And then we just come right over here. You're looking at 73.52. Right here, we have 74.16, we have 74.38, and then here's the target that you're going to be looking for is that 50-day at 74.93, okay? But that's your big target, but you have to close above this key 21-day. You can't just do it like a pop and drop and close below. Okay, now downside, what we're looking for is look for yesterday's high, looking at 70.31, okay? That's going to be your support level, but your key level right here is going to be right here. It's going to be that 69.15 on a closing basis. That's the key. Now, again, if that's lost, we look to yesterday's low. Okay, so you're looking at 68.58. That's the target you're going to be looking for your support level. And then we'll come to the top of this candle, 67.97. And then we'll look right here at the bottom, 67.24. And then we have 65.63 and then 65.27. That's your big target. So for today, trade this range, okay? 8 days on the bottom, that's 69.15, and your 21 days on the top, okay? You crack above it, well, here's your big target. Right there is your 50-day, okay? You crack below that, your big target, right here, 65.27. Pretty simple, nice sideways action, pin right between, good trading today. Okay, now, RSI, relative strength. Okay, you can see here where, even though it fell off yesterday, we had the red candle, now we're kind of moving up here. You're sitting at 45, so you're sitting right about the middle here. You could easily pop up, go to that 70 level, or you can come right down here to the 30 level. Very simple. Now, MACD, your green, see over the red, that shows positive. That's a buying opportunity, that momentum there to the upside. Okay, so that's what you want to watch. But realistically, watch the 8-day, watch the 21-day. Okay, scalp that until we either break up and go higher, or we go lower. We lose the 8-day and we go lower. Okay, now natty gas. Now remember that EIA report will be coming out today at 10:30, and that's always been like a market mover here about the last, 3-4 weeks here. So that's what we want to watch, okay? So here's your key levels that we're looking for. Looking like we're just below that 8-day, but the 8-day is moving up nicely, okay? So upside, this is what you want to watch, is that 8-day, you want to get back above that, 2.30, and then your next target is going to be 2.35, okay? If you can get above that, then we'll look to yesterday's high, okay, at 2.37, and then your big retest up here at 2.436, okay? That's what you're looking for. Now, downside, always watch the previous day's candle. So you're looking at 2.27 there on your low, and then we come down here to the bottom here, you're looking at 2.26, and then we have that nice 200-day at 2.23, and then you have 2.19. This is that 21-day, and then we have your 50-day right below that at 2.15. Okay, so right now we got the same thing pretty much as we got here with crude. We got a nice good trading range, and that's what we've had here is a really nice good trading range. Now this was the contract roll. It gapped right on up here, and then we're just carrying it higher. Now remember, the contract roll for this will start next Sunday and probably end, I don't know, Tuesday or something. You'll get that roll, and you'll see where it's going to actually jump up because the futures are higher now than what the price is. Okay, so this is what you're going to have here. We got a good trading range, so you want to trade this range here until she even breaks out. Now you break out. This is the key that you're looking for to break out is 2.43. Okay, so then all you do is look right to the left of the chart here. This is what you see. Your next target is going to be roughly 2.448, and then we have 2.48. Then we come over here. You got 2.52, 2.57, and then we have 2.60. That is going to be your target. And obviously, if that, we just go right on up here. But again, you have to close on the price of 2.436. That is going to be the key. Okay, so that's what we're looking for. Now, this 8-day is going to be very, very crucial because the price needs to get back above it, but it's early. It's not even 7 o'clock in the morning here. So this is what you want to do. We want to get it back above it. So just watch this, that we can take this right back up here, but just look at this trading range that we have, okay? So realistically here, if you look right on down, just look at the bottom, that 208, 2.23, okay? That's your bottom, and then right here, 2.43 is your top. So we just want to keep trading this here until she breaks all the way down. Now, if it breaks all the way down, then we have that 21-day, and then we have this 50-day here. Now, again, if that's lost, then we'll come to the bottom of this where we had this double bottom situation. Okay, that's what we'll be looking for, and you'll be looking for that roughly 1.2 level. That's what you're going to be looking at if that's all lost. But right now, seasonality is in play for natural gas. It just, natural gas, they don't call it the widowmaker for nothing, okay? It's very, very fickle. You need to trade it. That's the key. You need to trade it because it never just gives you it's going to buy in kind of a hold situation. Look at it here when on the upside. See, it always gives you a chance to get in. That's why I like trading the natural gas. Always gives you a chance to get in, get out. Same way on the downside. See, look at that. You can just keep trading that all the way on down here. Once you get below that 8-day, this is what happens. Once you get above that 8-day, that's what happens. Okay, I'll be back here for midday trading. We'll take a look here at crude oil and natural gas. And then today we're going to take a look here at PayPal, PYPL. Now remember, trade what's in front of you, not what you want.